Hi there, I'm Richard Byrne. I'm the host of Practical Ed Tech, and I hope you'll allow me a couple of minutes to tell you about my updated on-demand course, Getting Going with G Suite for Education. Now, this course is based on more than 10 years of helping teachers like you get going with all aspects of G Suite. In fact, I started using G Suite for Education long before it was G Suite for Education. In 2007, I started using Google Docs with my students, and many teachers started to ask me, how did you do it? What do I need to know? What do I not need to know is also important. And so in this course, you'll work through 10 self-paced modules. Every module includes a video lesson, an outline to follow along with, a self-assessment, and some suggested activities to use in your classroom. Now, if you want to take a look at what those lessons are, hit the Get Started button here, and you can see the outline of the lessons. And each one of these lessons are designed to be used in sequence, but you can jump around if you like. You can go back to any lesson at any time and pick up where you left off. It's completely self-paced. But just because it's self-paced doesn't mean that you can't ask me for help. In fact, the bottom of every course module has a Q&A panel that lets you send a message to me, and I'll get back to you as quickly as I possibly can. Now, if you have any questions about the course or you need some help signing up, just send me an email, richard@byrne.media. And if you have a group of teachers who might want to do the course together, send me a note at richard@byrne.media, and we'll arrange a special group discount for you. Thanks for your time, and I hope to see you in the course.